Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate celebration theme on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and from here you need to search for the Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application and log in into your account and click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation, click on the person name on the top, click on theme, and from here you need to scroll down, and here you can see celebration theme. Click on that, and now you can see that celebration theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.